Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Porsche Cayenne headlight bulb. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight housing. Remove the plastic cover behind the headlight by twisting the fasteners or clips. Carefully unplug the electrical connector from the bulb assembly and unclip the retaining spring or ring holding the bulb. Withdraw the old bulb straight out without twisting. Install the new bulb by reversing these steps and test the light. Gather your tools and parts before you start. Wear gloves to protect the bulb from oils and to improve grip while handling small parts. Keep a clean cloth nearby to rest removed components without scratching. Have a flashlight handy for visibility inside the headlight cavity and keep spare clips if plastic parts are brittle. Double-check the new bulb model number to ensure compatibility and correct wattage, then proceed calmly and methodically. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with doing your own maintenance to save cash. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Work through each step slowly to avoid damage. Start by accessing the headlight rear through the engine bay or wheel well and remove any covers obstructing the housing. Unplug the electrical connector and disengage the retaining clip to free the bulb. Pull the old bulb straight out, then install the new bulb, ensuring not to touch the glass surface. Reattach the clip, plug the connector back in, replace covers, and test the headlight operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.